I'm Brad Robson, the Sales Manager here at Place Graceville, and on behalf of the entire team, welcome to our end of financial year market wrap. It's good news for homeowners as their assets have continued to see sustainable growth throughout the year. Over the past 2 years, the standout performers in Australian residential real estate have been Sydney and Melbourne, with growth of 56% and 33% in median house prices respectively. The BIS Shrapnel report believes that this is largely due to a result of investor demand and ongoing cuts to already low interest rates. However, the levelling out of first home buyer demand is now seeing these markets cool. Brisbane is a very different story, but for good reasons. Here, we're seeing steady, sustainable, long-term growth underpinned by housing affordability. This might sound like Brisbane is a weaker market, but that isn't the case. With strong competition in this marketplace, as a result of limited stock, we're seeing sellers achieve great results. And as more southerners migrate to South East Queensland looking for affordable housing and investment opportunities, we believe that growth will continue. In our core areas, we've seen average price growth of 13.5% over the past 5 years, with the standout performers being Taringa at 27.6%, Oxley at 19.6% and Graceville at 19% growth. Our team is achieving great results for our local clients. We're selling over 200 homes, totalling over 150 million in property sales for the financial year. Gary Eaton and Kerry Bellamy achieved a great result at 42 King Arthur Terrace, Tennyson, achieving a sale of 1.875 million for a home that sellers had tried unsuccessfully selling in earlier markets, giving substance to our comments about this market being strong. Paris Arthur recently set a new benchmark for a home in Oxley, selling 46 Finnegan Circuit for $790,000 within 3 weeks on the market. Ted Hagemeyer had a record year for personal sales. Not only did he sell more residential homes this year than any time in his career, he successfully negotiated several development sites, achieving record-breaking results for his sellers. Zach Ryan has achieved days on market in Bellbarry, 1/3 of his competition. Sam and Stephen are the #1 performing agents in Jindalee according to Rate My Agent, both in terms of highest average sale price and most recommended. Paul Eaton is continuing to achieve outstanding results. He is fast becoming known for achieving results where others had failed, and 15 Harrowby Street, Corinda is the perfect example of this. Paul successfully took over marketing this home and achieved a great result of $910,000 within 1 week. A recent sale of Liz Browning's is 2 Capote Street, where she sold it during the very first open home for over 1.1 million. A great price that thrilled the sellers and more proof of the strength of this market. We're proud to welcome Karen Simons to the team, a great local that has ties to Graceville going back throughout her entire life. You will struggle to find anyone with more local knowledge than Karen. And there's Peter and I, and we're proud to have achieved several record results during last financial year, once again underpinning the demand of our area and the strength of this marketplace. We're proud to have helped one particular client achieve a new benchmark for a non-riverfront property in Corinda, selling off-market for $3.25 million. Moving forward, what will next financial year bring? At this stage, the Reserve Bank appears to be keeping interest rates on hold. This ensures that lending is not overly constrained and boosting buyer confidence. An encouraging report from BIS Shrapnel into housing growth between 2015 to 2018 shows that Brisbane will outperform every other capital city. This is largely because affordability is less strained and there's still a lack of supply. Developers are displaying plenty of confidence in this market despite all the talk of an oversupply of units. Our development sales here at Place Graceville saw over $25 million worth of development sites sell last financial year. From a rentals front, last financial year was solid. Shane Mentek heads up our star rental team, and they leased 153 properties and have kept arrears at under 1% for the entire portfolio over the financial year. This is good news for our investors, as it means that over 99% of our tenants are paying their rent on time, ensuring a consistent cash flow for the landlords. So with all the results in, we can say for both homeowners and investors relying on capital growth, the 2015-16 financial year, the market has been good. And looking into our crystal ball into the immediate future, the local property market continues to look positive. For any real estate related needs, please don't hesitate to contact one of my hard-working and dedicated team members on 3379 4311.